Hey everybody, Lucas Purdon here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number 28805T. It's a 2019 Rocky Ridge Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S with the Rocky Ridge X package. It's got the upgraded front steel bumper, red tow hooks, a 10,000 pound synthetic winch. You see down there. You got 20-inch LED light bar. Fog lamps are exposed here as well. 20-inch black fuel wheels. Some 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. Black steel fab step bars. This is equipped with auto start stop. Inside you got your all-weather floor mats. Premium upholstery seating. Steering wheel has all your controls for your hands-free voice recognition to make phone calls. Cruise control as well. 7-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio with Sirius XM satellite. It does have the cold weather group, which gives you the heated steering wheel and heated seats. Your media port down here has your auxiliary USB and USB-C ports here. Does have the tow package, which gives you the auxiliary ports down here. 12-volt outlet as well. 4-wheel drive. Cup holders down here in between. You got some storage area up top for you know, coins, your wallet, whatnot. Deeper storage down below. Also has USB ports down inside there as well. This does come with a 3-piece removable hard top. Your back door has some net storage here on the side door here. Cup holders down below for your rear passengers. Sound bar up top. Full-size spare tire on the rear. Backup camera as well. Let's take a look in the back. Got plenty of room for storage. Has your all-weather mat in here and also some additional all-weather mats. 12-volt outlet. Black powder-coated Flowmaster exhaust. Rocky Ridge banner up front. Again, we're looking at stock number 28805T. It's a black clear coat 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S with the Rocky Ridge X package. I'm Lucas Purdon. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.